Meaning of holy orders.
Holy orders.
Holy orders.
Holy orders.
Holy orders. The term holy orders refers to the rites and ceremonies through which individuals are ordained as clergy in various religious traditions, including Christianity, Judaism, and Islam. In Christian churches, there are three distinct orders of holy orders: bishops, priests, and deacons. Through ordination, these individuals receive the authority to perform certain sacramental and other spiritual duties within their respective denominations. Holy orders are considered a sacrament by Catholic and Orthodox Christians, while Protestant traditions generally view them as a symbolic act of recognition of an individual's calling to ministry.